When the nation's geopolitical situation are disturbed and cannot settle their own differences, most of the time war is imminent. When the war broke out, the most advantageous and strong militaries will always prevail. However, in order to prevail, it drove numerous nations to create increasingly sophisticated weapons, vehicles, and advanced technologies. Day by day, each nations with vast resources wanted to gain upper hand with their competitors. We'll talk about some of these cutting-edge military armaments, vehicles and technologies used by different nations. 1. Robotic soldier. A futuristic RoboCop, which was a science fiction movie, was already things of the past. A robot soldier or autonomous combat system is a type of military technology that is designed to perform military tasks without direct human intervention. These robotic soldiers can be equipped with various weapons and sensors, allowing them to engage in combat, gather intelligence, or perform other military operations. The development of robot soldiers is a part of the broader field of military robotics, which aims to leverage technology to enhance military capabilities. Robot soldiers can potentially offer advantages such as increased precision, endurance, and the ability to operate in hazardous environments without risking human lives. It's worth noting that the development and deployment of robot soldiers raise ethical and legal concerns. Questions about the accountability, decision-making capabilities, and potential for misuse are among the many considerations that need to be addressed when discussing this technology. 2. Unmanned robotic land, air and sea vehicles. An unmanned armed robotic vehicle is a type of vehicle that is operated remotely or autonomously and is equipped with weapons or armaments. These vehicles are designed to perform military or security-related tasks without the need for a human operator on board. They can be used for various purposes, such as reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, rescue and combat operations. Unmanned armed robotic vehicles offer advantages such as reducing the risk to human personnel, providing enhanced situational awareness, and executing missions in challenging environments. They can be deployed on land, air, or sea, depending on the specific requirements. 3. The corner shot. The corner shot is a weapon accessory designed for use by SWAT teams and special forces in hostile situations, typically involving terrorists and hostages. It was created by Lieutenant Col. Amos Golan of the Israeli Defense Forces in cooperation with American investors in the early 2000s. The corner shot allows the user to fire a weapon around corners without exposing themselves to direct fire. The corner shot consists of a chassis that can be attached to various handguns, such as Glock, Sig Sauer, CZ, or Beretta. It features a segmented, folding stock and a pistol grip contraption. Additionally, it includes a small, high-resolution camera and monitor, allowing the user to see and aim at targets without directly exposing themselves. The corner shot provides a tactical advantage in urban warfare scenarios by reducing the risk to the user while engaging targets in confined spaces or around corners. It allows for increased situational awareness and can be a valuable tool for close-quarters combat. 4. Javelin. The Javelin Fire and Forget missile is a man-portable, anti-tank guided missile (ATGM) system. It is designed to be fire and forget, meaning that once it is launched, it does not require further guidance from the operator. The missile employs a lock-on before launch system and automatic self-guidance. The Javelin missile is primarily used to engage and destroy heavily armored vehicles, such as main battle tanks, but it can also be effective against other targets like fortifications, bunkers, and helicopters. It utilizes a top attack flight profile, which allows it to target the usually thinner top armor of armored vehicles. However, it can also be used for direct attacks against buildings or targets under obstructions. The Javelin missile system provides the military with a highly lethal and versatile weapon that can be operated by a single person. It is capable of engaging a wide range of targets and is effective in various threat environments. 4. Drone technology. Military drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), are remotely piloted or autonomous aircraft used by the military for various purposes. These drones have become an integral part of modern military operations due to their versatility, endurance, and ability to perform missions without risking human lives. Here are some common uses of military drones. 1. Surveillance and reconnaissance. Military drones are extensively used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and other advanced imaging technologies, these drones provide real-time intelligence, gather valuable data, and monitor enemy activities. They can cover large areas and operate in challenging environments, enhancing situational awareness for military forces. 2. Target acquisition and precision strikes. Armed military drones, such as the Predator and Reaper drones, are capable of carrying and launching precision-guided munitions. These drones can loiter over a target area for extended periods, identify and track targets, and strike with high accuracy. They have been used for targeted assassinations, airstrikes, and counter-terrorism operations. 3. Force protection. Drones play a crucial role in force protection by providing early warning and situational awareness. They can detect and track enemy movements, monitor potential threats, and provide critical information to military personnel on the ground. This helps in safeguarding military installations, convoys, and troops. 4. Communication and relay. Some military drones are used as communication relays, extending the range and capabilities of communication systems. They can act as flying base stations, providing connectivity in remote or inaccessible areas, enhancing command and control capabilities. 5. Electronic warfare. Military drones equipped with electronic warfare systems can disrupt or jam enemy communications, radar systems, and other electronic signals. They can also be used for signals intelligence (SIGINT) and electronic intelligence (ELINT) gathering. 6. Search and rescue. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras and other sensors are used in search and rescue operations. They can quickly cover large areas, locate missing persons or survivors in disaster-stricken areas, and provide real-time information to rescue teams. It's important to note that the use of military drones is subject to international laws, regulations, and ethical considerations. The specific capabilities and uses of military drones may vary depending on the country and its military doctrine. 5. Minesweeper or mine-clearing vehicle. Minesweepers or mine-clearing vehicles are specialized vehicles used for the purpose of removing or neutralizing landmines and other explosive devices. These vehicles are designed to safely detect, locate, and dispose of mines to ensure the safety of personnel and equipment in affected areas. There are various types of mine-clearing vehicles, each with its own unique capabilities and methods of operation. Here are a few examples. 1. Mine plows. These vehicles are equipped with specially designed shovels that are used to unearth mines and push them to the side, creating a cleared path. Mine plows are often attached to tanks or remotely operated vehicles and are effective for quickly clearing lanes for other vehicles. However, they do not deactivate the mines, so they are not used for humanitarian demining. 2. Assault breacher vehicles. The M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle (ABV) is an example of a military mine and explosives clearing vehicle. It is based on the M1 Abrams chassis and is equipped with a mine plow and line charges. These vehicles are used by the U.S. military for clearing mines and other obstacles in combat situations. 3. Remote-controlled vehicles. Some mine-clearing vehicles are remotely controlled, allowing operators to safely clear mines from a distance. These vehicles are often compact in size and lightweight, yet still possess powerful mine clearance capabilities. It's important to note that mine-clearing vehicles play a crucial role in military operations, but they are not typically used for humanitarian demining, which involves the removal of mines to protect civilian populations and restore land for productive use. 6. Anti-drone. An anti-drone system, also known as counter-drone system or drone defense system, is a technology designed to detect, track, and mitigate unauthorized drones or unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). These systems are used to protect critical infrastructure, public spaces, military installations, airports, and other sensitive areas from potential threats posed by drones. The primary purpose of an anti-drone system is to detect and neutralize unauthorized drones that may be used for malicious purposes, such as surveillance, smuggling, or even carrying explosives. These systems employ a variety of technologies to achieve this, including radar, radio frequency RF detection, electro-optical sensors, acoustic sensors, and even artificial intelligence algorithms. Once a drone is detected, an anti-drone system can employ various methods to mitigate the threat. Some common methods include 1. Jamming. Anti-drone systems can disrupt the communication between the drone and its operator by emitting radio frequency signals that interfere with the drone's control signals or GPS signal, forcing it to either land or return to its point of origin. 2. Spoofing. This method involves sending false GPS signals to the drone, tricking it into believing it is in a different location or altering its flight path. Spoofing can be used to redirect the drone away from a sensitive area or cause it to land safely. 3. Netting. Some anti-drone systems use nets to physically capture the drone mid-flight. This method is particularly useful when dealing with smaller drones that may not be affected by jamming or spoofing. 4. Laser systems. High-powered lasers can be used to disable or destroy drones by targeting their critical components, such as their sensors or propulsion systems. Laser-based anti-drone systems are typically used in military or defense applications. It's important to note that the use of anti-drone systems is regulated by local laws and regulations. In some cases, the use of counter-drone technology may require proper authorization or licensing.